You may think the Earth is strange on its own. Tornadoes, floods, pyramids, alien UFO sightings, and much more, as well as even strange weather phenomena. Our whole solar system could be at risk by strange things instead. Isn't it? When this countdown will start off with possibly, well, let's just start with number 5. Number 5. Here at number 5, this is not very scary, but, well, Planet 9 and Planet 10. Planet 9 has been a hypothetical planet for at least 2 years now, but now scientists are thinking of a Planet 10. Planet 9, when I did Universe Sandbox 2, its size was, well, between the sizes of Earth and Neptune, but it was a gas giant. But if you were, now since Planet 9 ain't very close to the sun, you would never even see the sun. It was that far away. It would be pitch black. Yeah, but worse than that, it would be so dark you couldn't see the planet at all. Now let's learn about this faraway planet. This faraway planet, named Planet 9, hypothetical. That means we don't know if it exists or not. It might or it might not. It's just an idea planet, basically. Well, anyway, this planet may not be a very much of a threat. Now, Planet 10 may be just as much as a threat, meaning it's probably not a threat. But the only threat would be that it's farther, and that means it couldn't just launch more comets. Meaning let's just say it launches them and throws them to the inner solar system. Well, anyway, oh yeah, and both of these worlds are trans-Neptunian objects. Well, anyway, since Planet 10 would probably be a lot farther than Planet 9. This means that it could probably be, maybe it's even outside our Oort cloud. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and go on to number 4. The Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is probably a remnant from the early solar system. We believe that the Oort cloud is, well, very far away. So let's go ahead and have a star. So a star this might take a second. Okay, here we go. At the center of this simulation thing, we have our star, aka our sun. What is even farther away will be something different. We'll go ahead and place our little Earth right about there. But in fact, Earth is like right there. Well, it would be right there in the simulation thing. And then outside that, we have Jupiter. In this case, Jupiter's really far away. So let's get a Jupiter to place. Our Jupiter would be right about there. It would be pretty close. Right there, probably. So here's Earth and here's Jupiter. But what about, and then there's the nearest star, which is, well, over here, probably. Anyway. Planet 9 and Planet 10, which was previously talked about, would be right around here and here. Because they're so far away. So here, here, and here. But this outer edge right here is the Oort cloud. And this could be scary. This is pretty darn scary because if the slightest nudge were to hit one of these comets, it could knock them into the inner solar system and cause havoc on the, the inner planets. Hiya! I love this gravitational effect thing. Well, anyway, let's move on to the next, which is number 3, basically. Number 3. Anyway, number 3, I've heard of, speaking of the Oort cloud, the sun might not be alone. Dun dun dun. Our sun it's the center of the solar system, basically. But the sun might actually have a wobble. It would wobble around a little bit, probably because of another star. And if it could be a brown, and it would, well, let's talk about its size. It could be just a little smaller than Jupiter, or a little bigger than Jupiter, or it could be at least way larger than Jupiter, but pretty tiny compared to the sun. This nemesis theory is thought that it would be, well, so here's where the sun would be, in the center, of course. Now let's go ahead and place a star for our sun. And, well, every few 100,000 years, this star is thought to come closer and hit the Oort cloud, and possibly not comet in every direction, which is pretty scary if you ask me. Boom. But that takes us to number 2. Number 2. Planet X, or Nibiru. Planet X is thought that it's a large Earth, larger than the Earth itself. It could be a planet so big that we can't even believe this. Look at this idea. Here's the size of Neptune for an idea to scale. So here's the size of Neptune. Compare that to the original Earth. Now let's compare it to the possibility of one of the large exoplanets we discovered. And it's still tiny. Now let's place it with Planet X. The possibility of Planet X is probably decent. A moderate 50-50 chance. But who knows? It might or might not. I don't know a whole lot about this place, but I do know that it could be a disaster. Will it be doomsday? Or will it catch the Earth? Or worse? Or will it do something? Or does it not exist at all? We don't even know. It may even miss, but who knows? We're not sure. That's just very creepy. But there's something way creepier. So creepy. I'm gonna have to put this in 2-in-1 combo. And this 2-in-1 combo is Doomsday. Doomsday will be, it's right there. That's what it is. I found out that this may not be true, but Apophis in 2036 which is a large, decent-sized asteroid. Oh, darn it. Hold on. This is going to have to be fixed real quick. Hold on. I can fix it. Don't worry. Sorry about this waiting stuff, folks. I can't help it. It's just the iPad thing where my thingy broke. The prop-up stand thing broke. So it's kind of a little harder to make it good. Well, let's try to make it a little further down. Here we go. This will be good. Now let's place our Earth right here. Anyway, I'm going to zoom. So here's our Earth. Now, Apophis is not really a large object. It's just an asteroid. But possibilities are that, well, if it were to hit our planet, it would end all life as we know it. But this is just a hypothesis. But this is just one theory that could be bad. But there's something even more frightening out there. But this is also number one, by the way. And that is rogue black holes. These super fast black holes probably created... Oh, come on, not again. Anyway. Come on. Hold on. This... Alright, anyway, let's resume once more. Anyway, I might cut that out. But anyway, a black hole like this, definitely, like this, will be pretty bad. Because if one were to come close to our solar system, they would be chaos. Our solar system is currently stable. For now, at least. It should be stable for a couple more 100 years. So with into all the planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Here, I'll do it like this. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn without the rings, and Uranus and Neptune. And that's not all, by the way. Hold on. There's two more objects. I mean, one more. If this wants to do it. So there's Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And then you go ahead and place Pluto. Yeah, you can see Pluto right there. I'll just repoint to make sure. Right there. Anyway. The solar system is pretty stable, but even if one were to pass within a couple 100 billion, just a couple, not billion, but just like 4 light years, that's just about 1 light year more than the entire size of the solar system, aka Oort cloud distance. So that's about the edge of the Oort cloud. So what would happen is they'd be cometized, and since these comets will be falling from so far away, the power of these comets could be, well, pretty bad. Notice the damage here was pretty extensive. Let's melt these comets. Anyway, so that's just one part. The next problem would be, well, if the black hole came just about 2 light years, the farthest planets like Makemake, Sedna, Humia, and Quoar. Those, as well as Planet 9 and possible Planet X and Planet 10. These worlds could be knocked off their orbits completely, and that would be pretty bad. These objects would just hurtle in without warning and cause extra damage. They may collide with something smaller than themselves or larger. Then if the black hole came really close, like maybe less than 1 light year away, some things would be sucked in. Blinky. I don't know what that means. Some planets would be destroyed. Some would be some may be just would be stretched to pieces. Stretch. That's called spaghettification, by the way. And the black hole could just swallow the last, and it would be chaos. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, like, subscribe stuff, and I will see you all later.
Yeah.